Sorting data in Excel isn't terribly difficult. All it requires is really, once you've got filters applied, selecting them and selecting to sort A to Z, Z to A, whatever the case may be. But Copilot can help you with that, and that can be useful if you're trying to apply multiple sorting rules. So I'm going to open up Copilot and show you how we can apply a simple sort. I'm going to sort by salesperson. So I'm going to say, okay, sort the salesperson field in ascending order. And now what it's going to do is apply that sort for me. A really simple request. I could have done it myself easily, but Copilot can do that for me, and it's going to confirm the changes that it's going to apply. So I'm going to hit apply. It's going to do it to the salesperson column, and you'll see that it's as if I did it myself manually. If I click on this, you can see it's done a sort A to Z. Now let's do a more complicated sort. I'm going to apply multiple sorting rules. I'm going to say sort my data first by sales from largest to smallest, then sort by product in ascending order, then sort by salesperson in ascending order. So here I've asked it for 3 separate things I want it to do. And so by just typing it in, this can make it a whole lot easier. If you're not sure whether you want to specify ascending, descending order, you can say largest to smallest, whatever the case may be. So it's going to tell me it's going to apply these 3 different rules on here. I'm going to hit apply. And now let's take a look if it's done that correctly. So as you can see, it's doing step by step in here. So we see that I know it's a bit confusing taking a look at this. It's talking about index 6, index 3, index 2. But if we look at this, it's sorted it correctly. We've got sales going from largest to smallest. And then within that, we've got the product sorted and the rep. So first we see rep A's, product A sales, product B sales, product C sales. And they're all sorted from largest to smallest. So first it's looking at rep A. They're different products and their sales from largest to smallest. So it's done the job for us as far as applying those sorting rules correctly, and so we can easily view our data the way we want to. So Copilot can help you with that, especially when you've got multiple rules and you want to do that quickly and easy just by entering a prompt and you're not sure how you want to communicate it, worrying about whether you specify ascending or descending. You can put it in a way where it makes sense to you, and then Copilot can take that input and apply it to your data set.